WhatsApp web copy-paste issues affect millions of users worldwide. These frustrating problems occur when you try to copy text, images, or files between your device and the WhatsApp web interface, only to find that nothing happens. As of August 2025, these issues persist despite multiple WhatsApp updates. The problems have become more common due to enhanced browser security policies in Chrome 1.15 and later versions, Firefox 1.16 and above, plus operating system changes in Windows 11 and macOS Ventura. The root causes of these copy-paste failures fall into three main categories. First, browser permission restrictions, where modern browsers require explicit clipboard permissions and implement cross-origin security policies that can block clipboard access. Second, system-level conflicts occur when Clipboard Manager software interferes with normal operations. Antivirus programs block clipboard functions, or the operating system's clipboard service fails to work properly. Third, WhatsApp web-specific issues include session authentication problems, unstable WebSocket connections, and corruption of cached data and cookies that can disrupt the clipboard functionality. Understanding the technical architecture helps explain why these issues occur. WhatsApp web relies on two main technologies, the modern Clipboard API and the older document.exec command method for copy-paste operations. The challenge is that WhatsApp web uses end-to-end encryption, which can sometimes interfere with clipboard data transfer protocols. This security feature, while protecting your messages, can create compatibility issues with browser clipboard systems. Now let's move to practical troubleshooting. The first step is ensuring WhatsApp web has the necessary clipboard permissions in your browser settings. Here's how to check and enable these permissions in Chrome. The second crucial step is clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Corrupted cached data is one of the most common causes of clipboard issues. Here's the Chrome menu path to access the Clear Browsing Data option. The third troubleshooting step involves temporarily disabling browser extensions, especially ad blockers and privacy extensions. These can interfere with clipboard access by blocking the JavaScript APIs that WhatsApp web needs to function properly. These three basic troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of WhatsApp web copy-paste issues. By checking clipboard permissions, clearing browser data, and identifying problematic extensions, you can restore normal clipboard functionality in most cases. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve WhatsApp web copy-paste issues, advanced browser-specific and system-level fixes become necessary. For Google Chrome users experiencing persistent issues, navigate to Chrome Settings, Content Clipboard, and add web.whatsapp.com to the allowed sites list. This Chrome Clipboard settings page shows how to manage which sites can access your clipboard. You can see the default behavior and add WhatsApp web to the allowed list. Firefox users need to modify About Config settings. Type about:config in the address bar and set the async clipboard read text and clipboard item preferences to true. The Firefox About Config page allows you to modify advanced browser preferences. Look for the clipboard-related settings and change their values to enable proper functionality. On Windows systems, clipboard issues can often be resolved by restarting the Clipboard user service. Press Windows+R, type services.msc, and find the Clipboard user service. The Windows Services window shows all system services. Locate the Clipboard user service and restart it to resolve clipboard functionality issues. macOS users can reset the Clipboard service by opening Terminal and running the command sudo kill all pboard. This restarts the Clipboard daemon. This terminal window shows the kill all pboard command being executed. The red arrow highlights the command that resets the Clipboard service on macOS. To prevent future clipboard issues, follow these best practices. Keep your browsers updated automatically, clear cache and cookies weekly, review clipboard permissions monthly, and use WhatsApp Desktop as a reliable backup option. Looking ahead, several emerging technologies promise to improve clipboard functionality. Progressive web app integration, enhanced security protocols, and WebAssembly performance improvements will make copy-paste operations more reliable. This diagram illustrates the modern web application architecture that enables better clipboard integration between front-end and back-end components through service workers and improved APIs. These advanced fixes and prevention strategies provide comprehensive solutions for persistent WhatsApp web clipboard issues. Regular maintenance and staying updated with browser changes will ensure optimal functionality.